My statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed. Just two sentences, one sentence, and then no questions. Yeah, I know. Sadly, no? Sad. Siya ang may kasalanan. Sabi niya, no questions daw.
Ma'am, over.
Ma'am, confirm lang natin sa pagbisita ni President.
Yes. So, my statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed. Maraming salamat.
Hello, VP.
Hi, BP!
Ay, may sumunod ang puta.
Hi, BP!
Atras!
BP! Hi! BP! Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta po kayo? BP, kamusta kayo?
Atin kayo mamaya, magamin kayo.